Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, yeah, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Zion. You're my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything.
Afishiapa afisisi bre na yegidi se ye nyina ye wonkwam ahoɔden wɔ hɔ nhyira wɔ hɔ na yɛsan hyia mu na yɛde edwumadie se ne yɛ no de bia na ne yɛde brɛmo mesa mama afishiapa biom ɛsan mama kwaba ɛba BWF Solicitors legal hours so ɛna ɛbɛda otwede ampo ase na domara kwa wama yɛn kwan wama yɛn ahoɔden wama yɛn ahoɔfɛ soronko na yɛmfa edwumadie embrɛmo na afiwe nsɛm a ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛde yie dodo na ɛkɔ 31st ɛka penhyira a wɔde betu anamo ɛyɛ 2023 anamo no na yɛnso yɛbɛka sɛ yɛnso yakɔbi ama nsɛmpa a nyankopɔn de hyira yɛn this year yɛnso yɛde bɛbrɛ mo ntitiefo mɛsrɛ mo ni die mo woba so a wonko a ɛnkyɛmfa bɔmmɔden na kyekyɛ na obiara nsa ɛnka bi media ne manyeti na medi edwuma yi mu chiame na ene me wo me lawyer penin baako na ketwa baako nanso no omo nyina enimde no esipi esita enti no enche bia metum nsa afro na omo abeka ye ho na mmom metwa me ho sima me ba na de dwumadie no ahya ase ma mo nkɔ ba bia mo nhye ema me ba sisia.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Yo, Mesai Amamunyina Akwaba, a very special welcome to you all. Happy New Year to all those lovers out there. We are grateful today, and so say Nyame Amayen Kwa na yamfe dwumedi embremo. Mediane manyeti, u join me a mesre se bomodi ana share. Na nea womu say mo amunim BWF Solicitors se wo hwehwe mo kira kwa mo hwe advert na bibia omowo edwuma a omoye dodo na na obi to make us say oh mate omonka na na menim say omoye Ghana for omonye Ghana for BWF Solicitors ebushia no omo kase bia ope bia nti we Ghana ni nkwa not just for Ghanaians, it's for the community. So whichever language you speak, whichever West Africa or African country are coming from, they are there for you. Join us, join this program na nyanimdie na ye nko yinim ene no eye me da nkasa me kasa eye me da minim ne ntira because adom ne nti me ka trecherefo bi hu na ye ka o trecher a na che so ye teacher na we teacher so dia se unu bi hu kire na wo pese wo boa because ya ye nim se nkrom teachers there yes o mo ni hiafo mo fa ncha mi o nkrofo na eka say teachers there mo ye hiafo na mom ntisa krom ha no o ye kyerɛkyerɛfo a kyerɛ sɛ ye ka ne sɛ enunyam ɛwɔ wo so kakra ɛne mɛka no kra na kyerɛ mo enti no aban de nhyehyɛ bɛto hɔ no me nsan kwan ne ofufuo no ho mema ye lawyer no aba bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra enti wo teacher ni a bɔmmɔden a wonim teacher bi a bɔmmɔden na pia program ne chima no hyɛ na ohun sɛ yɛbɛka teacherfo nso asɛm ɛne wɔ ha afei nso no skill worker route no egu so a na enim sɛ nka afi we de ye ma ya afi ba ko nka etwam nanso emframa no ye hwɛ mframa ne mu a etumi ho sɛ ye nya ntwemu ɛna nso ye bɛka ho asɛm na ne ye me de ne sɛ ɛyɛ na nsɛmsɛm bebree ebisebisa o ye nkrofo application ma ɔmo na ɔmo bisa o questions ne ade enti ɛnɛ sɛ wo hwɛ ye topic e de abeto hɔ na ye ba bɛka ɛho nsɛm kakra egu so a ɛwɔ so a ɛkɔ so na kyerɛ sɛ aban no onya ntwemu ɔde bi kora ɛba abɛka ho saa na egidie embia na enwiem asesa nanso saa na me de me gidie sɛ onya ntwemu mesrew enidie mu bɔmmɔden na share program no kɔ Facebook na hwehwɛ BWF Solicitors live obehu yɛn wɔ hɔ saa nso na wokɔ BW radio nso a yɛtwa egu wɔ hɔnom wokɔ Facebook YouTube nso a yesan ewo honum eno aso webo BWF Solicitors live obehu se ye wo honum na webo modern no a share na nsempa de nipa baako enche emfa mebe frɛ me lawyer ene me ne be abedi adwuma lawyer Patrick ye ba no ensem lawyer mu nsem ana ye kan immigration nsem litigation mitigation nsem family law anaasɛ nea ɛwɔ he yɛnkuro Ghana law koraa wabɛ mu yie because BWF Solicitors for deɛ momiɛnka ɔmo didem ɔmo ntim ɔmo didem na mma me mbɔ ma aba so kakra ma yɛ adeɛ nti BWF Solicitors me ba bɛfrɛ mbɛma lawyer Patrick Akwaba na ɔmfa yɛ nhyɛ dwumadie no ase lawyer Patrick mpatwam na wafihyia pa
I think come to manye afis sabrena yina yeda so etiase won kwam ene ahoden pa na bibia sebe yakoma so da so bia no nyame so etimi aya aman yema etiefo nyina so afisia pa yeda o masese afietwa mu no omo ne ene tenase edi djuma eye bibia afisi so ejidi se omoni ebeto so akoso na omososo a nyame ya adom omo wini awards nyina so ye ma congratulations because oma ya ade mon fama sonto form na adesua no mon fama ho hyem because bia na afini be kona wie ye biom na nyame ya adom a awards no fofraba ebi wo ho a na emukura bitimi ayede asne the last year a buy no nti moma ye ninko adesua no ho eboa ti omo mo wini nyina Mr Foster ene nkrofo no nyina mo nyina congratulations na mom so ko Ghana na aya on kai me manye
Prizes in there. So, Ghana. Ya no akaye. Twa wenu ma no akaye. Why? Na ya ne ma. Utumi Eunice. Yo, ye be koye ne metiefo na hwefo me sama makwa ba biom. Ye wo BWF Solicitors legal hours so ye trechre emra, ye dimra, e kamra. Ye nante mremu enti so wo how bi e wo immigration sem ye nim se dodo na immigration sem eyo problem and I say family law ene family law be the assembly betu menim na yama rehopa na say oh with the family law a clear cut into ensu endi abobo ene ye beka ho asem sanso na ye koye nkrom law nso a omoye ho ade papa na je say senior wote bia opese oba abroche op visitors visa kwan paso a ofa weni beje a obenya o visa no asem wa be hu BWF Solicitors omodo community no enti community na no mutumi eye adwuma edema uka ho de a na kire se omoye adwuma ede ama yo lawyer Patrick ya tititi nsam ye bekoye topic ne so na ansa na ye bekoye topic ne so mesre enimdiem ya tititi nsam ye see good news this year the good news good news enti mesre good news na eba na bia ya so mokikayen ne ya tititi wo baabi na mom yenim say lawyers no mo na mo kan na kire ye no kre because atisem de ya na wanhwa wakoti bibibone na wodi tubra na se pie free mumu enum de sebide a na kire se na eye nokre mo de mo mfa atesem mo amokohu mo de mo ani kohwe na mo ehu nokre wom ansa na mo abebo ya amane enti saa na meka se good news nsempa no la Patrick boye mu kakra na yenhwe say amfa a good news ana.
okay great manye so yes you see afifufuro mu a yenim say ya na eniema bebre etumi sesa sa na ye immigration system no so no afibia do a aya omoye nsahye kakra usually yenim say fees no na ya eta ehihim kakra bi o na ekosro last year yenim say o man sheda anyiri mo dendenden sa na mom omuma enema mu eye soft ma fees ni bi kra ho a omotete so but one important thing eba up February a teacher for afei UK aban aye nhyehyɛ sɛ opese omakwan na obie adwumanum ma a teacher for ɛwɔ amanone oman training wo UK no betimi enya kwan na omaba UK aba bekyerɛ ade ɛno ne ade a aba beka sabre immigrations nsensem no ho nti free February ekono sɛ uye teacher ni now sɛ ukohwe a enya ade a obetimi apply so don't do it but from 1st of February ena ebehya ase nti sɛ uye teacher ni uye qualified teacher ewo Ghana wo kyerɛ ade wo experience na opese obekira ade wo UK a te sɛ ne wo ye health and care visa and I said the other tier 2 visa routes no ede aba UK no sa pepepe na etie obetimi apply na wanya de frɛ no qualified teacher status no ɛno no obetimi ayɛ no online. Like I said no, ye mean to her at the moment. Nti sɛ wokɔ online sɛ wokɔyɛ saa deɛ na ɛbɛka sɛ ummeti nti wontimi nyɛ. But from 1st of February no, ombebie saa kwan ne de ato. Na woyɛ qualified teacher. Yes, ubetimi enya sponsorship. Nti obi a anase school a omo sponsorship license so ubetimi recruit teachers from outside the UK. Edi abaha no, ubetimi go through saa process no. Na unya sponsorship na wa apply na wa ba be kra de e wa hanom. Now, QTS no, you can be exempted from it. So we checheni for 4 years e wa ha. However, your advantages be a sa QTS no ma. Na QTS no abodin a ye dema a teacher fo a oma ko eye intitiemu e wo UK. Ti se ko teacher intitiemu wo UK a uwie a sa ade no na ye dema. Nti most of the English state maintained schools no aya na omo require sa ade no se be ya ombetimi ehu sampa oye teacher ni a udim usipi usita. Nti eno no boa for recruitment. Eno no so boa ma yehu sampa se uyo bi a wo nimdi a ekọ achi se ubetimi akyerade. Nti yes, se unsatumi ka eno no bia ebe boa ebe boost to application no. Ebe boost to chances of getting a jumano. Nti ehu behia se ubetimi aya obeye bi. But se wontimi nya, it is not fatal. Still ubetimi ahwehwe adwuma no na unya kwan na oba. Yes, ubetimi aye adwuma for 4 years and through that no you'll be exempted from SAR QTS. No? So manye, that is what is coming up on the 1st of February in a nutshell. So Bibia set it up na yesha say now we're rolling it out. I'm sure so we will take time and come and dedicate a program towards that. Na yashichemuye na ehun and share wo ho nyina no yama atiefo ehun. The other thing is the skilled worker care health and care visa route no. Ye nyina nim se aban ehya ase se enka or mayen 1 year na ye de aye saa neema no na ya hwe se ebetumi aboa ye system no with care industry na. Yes, baby aye do no aban etwa anaso ye etwa saa year na wie a oye nhihye so obe review. Ye nim the aban ebe review no akosi. However, what we know no say there's every possibility say a better so because already no say now check on my website now what it tells you is say health and care visa na ankasan you can get up to 5 years. Internet say buying what you probably say 1 year obetwemu then adding na all ye nhihye say ubenya up to 5 years and answer obetimi enya up to 3 years and then ubetimi renew and then even say unya 5 years nechina you may be able to qualify so ubenya indefinite leave to remain. Nti yewo nsusuye bi se ebeto aso na abanye review ni wia ebia nsacheye kakra bi beba na unim say UK abanye UK immigration so mo ye nsacheye a etoda na ebia o mahu bebi enti no mpese omo chinchim aniema mu na omo ma aniema mu eye den kakra bi ede ka sane etie no ho enti no eno na ye hye nso. However, omo yi fee bi every ho a eye very important, eye very exorbitant enti to take away sa fee no eye ade a eye enigisem. So from the 1st of January no bibia ye frɛ no immigration skills charge it's about 1,800 and something depending on how many years course you assign it to sa nipa na all no say of course no defined which means free outside na all ba and as we kroma na all switch but we different categories so we a student you would not be charged sa rate no but other categories no say ho a you betimi a charge you including say all switch na ebia ovasa na ewu nti ebetimi a charge eno no omayi every ho from the 1st of January nti no the utua ye the fee to assign the course na eye adwumawura no utua which is about £199 or so no eno na utua but apart from that no there £1,000+ na omo charge to assign the course no to omo especially omo assign defined course no and no year free. It's great news, it's good news, and it's encouraging. It tells you say there's every possibility say this is going to carry on. And looking at the care industry in this year, we even need more people to come at the moment because we are still struggling. And adwuma no dɔɔso but nipa ni so a yɛnim sɛ bebree aba deɛ, but there's every opportunity this is going to go on for a long time to come. So the advice is take the advantage now. And near ye be review no emma ye no se wo bibi a ye ni sisi na ebetimi aboa se ne be ya se bibi ba na ebia ya yire mu dendenden a saa time no na wo huri free mu dadada timanye. That's the bit that we would say.
Lea Patrick, nyame nhyira me da se ade na e de se hwe etiefo we de mama me nya hisem kakra wa ha teachers de no ya hwem yi pa na ye besa be ye special program towards that na mom entnasio na enka se wo twen 1st February no ansa na watu ho anamo enti asem no kura na de a meka kire na awutie mi tiefo KT consult for omo de omo start yi omo background checks dada ena omo anya omo ehu kwan aye fa so na mom all this skill ade aye skill worker route ya teachers ba be kan nye hunu say UK on mau sa invitation and as a visa no abra obrofo kan entwa montie mi o se na etie bia in any aspect of subject area wo kire subject speciality awo na se obrofo no entwa ene wotwe mu tan a wonya enti to ho anamo na pe English no ekira akwan because oya de to ho a ebeboa o oya English ne to a you have 2 years obetimi de aye application enti entwentwan so bomode abehu KT consult for from anase WhatsApp mo e was 075 966 20154 on metre okwan na yenya English no edit to ho enye no nkwan so QTS na Lawyer Patrick boss for teachers no kwan a ubefa so a ubenya no behu KT consult somewhere home because KT consult teachers for nankasa omo obi eno monim kwan a ye fa so a ye dinya enti se wo pe bi dia ebe qualify wa na se ebe ma advantage over obi kra oni bi kra no mesra obehu yen menkan se woni bia ye ma me se ebe ma advantage ewa obi a oni bi ewo so enti behu KT consult for na ye mboa masema tietia no yo yenko yenim la Patrick ebesa atwe ababiom ene nsema ye ba beka ho no de we are still on the skill worker route ehun hihye ni bi na dodo na yetumi adominant yetumi aboa omom abedu krom ha no before ye be ye no dodo na ebisa insem bebre even up to now there are a lot of people still asking questions about nhihye no etisen obi to me frame me phone so na ogina so no obisa obewie 45 minutes with time no a trade free mo awon so ni say manyeti me na me time ne the time is money for me enti no mo ntwembre young community lawyers na omo ma dedicate omo time say omo di check community mo mbra na mo mbetie nhihya ebi questions ebi mo ebise bisa no na mo mbetie answers no ewa ha mesre mo share program mo share ma me nenkwa chichichichichi me question na me bisa Lawyer Patrick ne say do I need to show sole responsibility to travel with my children on a skilled worker route? Now, skilled worker route, no yenyina yeti ase. Lawyer Patrick Krabe kakra. Na mom, se wode wo ma, ene wo kunu ka wo ho no. Eya na nneoma nkitinkiti bi wo ho a yesi o se wo ye. Na ye bisa se, emo baako ye wei ana. Se wo ne wo ma ba. Ewo skill worker route no se wo ye carer se wo be ye teacher ni se wo ye upskill say all the skill workers na eba kurom ha no ye bisa say or say you show so responsibility and sana ubetumi ne wo ma no aka ho aba ana la patin patcho masem tiawani nti kyerɛkyerɛ ye mu yetie o.
Okay, great. Yo. It's Manye. This is a very important topic to start with the year. And it is so because of what I have said in my submission in the introduction. The reason being, sir, Makase, Home Office for a Baby review, especially in the health and care visa route now, or more introduce you know. There's every possibility say ABR, wombe mimia and niemamu kakra. And also say ABR, wombe sa gumukra me muayemre. We don't know. But you don't need to wait until sa time na whatever decision I be taking about answer na why baby. It is a nay, say what opportunity now. The advice is do it now rather than later. Say the beya, say bibi, ena omaye insusuye se omubeye nsachaye wo ho because of bibi a omahuntia. Then you are able to beat that drastic change, you know. So that is my position on that. Now, yen na yenim your friend of sole responsibility because you can't want to bebre ewo your platform yi any the other platforms no so. Nti yen na yenim near ye pa ache. So, especially say your application under UK immigration rules now. The friend of paragraph 297 no. So we are sole parent and a walk ofa oba edia free amanone edia ba. Ese se wutimi kyerɛ se papa na anase maame a one ne wo eye saa abofra no ana mmofra no. So da so tiasia. Ese se wo kyerɛ se wo saa nipa na wo UK a okofa saa abofra no anase mmofra no de aba no. Wo sole responsibility. Anaso se wo na wo tumi a bibia mata ho ewo enkwala ni nyina na se akwala no so enti no empempi no aya na yetan ka se esese wo kire se akwala e wo ba ye kra no unu ni di nkomo okohwe no anaso se wo manifi school a okono wo ya aware school no kra to me troll osusu to mini school ni edi nkomo na sorry a oko wo na waye san hihye ni nyina anaso se asori school a okono una ye san hihye no ma yede ne ko school u free Ghana aba no na wo na wo hwe no dada nti u free buy no soso no una wo ye nhihye ba bia esese otena eni nipa esese ogina wanamu na ohwe ne nyina no wo na waye saa nhihye ne nyina ede ato ho ansa na wo ba nti no ye make any decision wa bra wo nka ho. The decision bia ye be make concerning akwala no ni yiedie ni nkanko ene bibia no eye wo na wo ye saa niema no nti se wo be ye application na esese wo kire saa. Now eye very difficult because empempi no home office wo be ka se omo nyintum especially se papa baako no anase maame baako no tiasea se baako no eni ho na sebe we free mu a then you don't have to demonstrate that. So I know you're fine. But so otiase dia then esese wo kire nti empempi no because so otiase ni nti no eya na wantwi kakra wo ye ne home office for ntem because omun susuye ne say because awofo no baako no etiase na mpo owo kro na akola no wo so no omu susu say ono so ewo eye akola no ehun kitahudie nhihye no oka ho bi. Esese wo na wutimi kire se enye saa netie yenim se case laws bebre ho a edi adanse na ekire kwan a esese home office for assess saa sole responsibility no TD Yemen a leading case. Now emran se yenim se papa baako anase maame ne baako no wo ho a sporadic contact with saa akwala no ne saa awofo baako na owo ho no enkyere se o play role bia on life mo anaso mpo se papa no ko bisa akwala na se keke no enkyere se o play role eno no wo ho no but that's an argument se wo yes our application na ubetimi am making. Yes, home office yeah, very very subjective in decision making. It's almost kind of from omani, but yeah can say as I say yeah rational. Na obi atumi hu se de yede ye decision ni enye obi keke na sebe wabo ni trimpo atena na all can say. So you need to do that to be able to apply under paragraph 297 under the immigration rules. Even so, wahana or indefinite leave to remain, and also say 2.5 years as a parent of a British citizen child. Sa application ubetimi aye ama akwalano and answer in kwalano below 18 ababeka. However, sa big elephant na owohono say ubetre say sole responsibility for sa akwalano, especially if the other parent is still alive and especially if they are in the same country as akwalaya ye kind of one semi. So that is what it is. Now, say ye de ba ye skilled worker na, especially the health and care visa na. Ye who say enya dia sa nhihye no eyiri mu yirikete ma omo amopese omode omo maba no. Enti no requirement no ai wo ho no pacho itie manye.
1 second, answer na call explanation. I just want to establish senior what stress so responsibility and nepa na Matthias here. Na mpese tie fo amohwe yen so no. Ne lawyer Patrick card the dead ne nyina ne say so responsibility na just say wo na akwala no ye ka ne bibia wo hwe no e wo fie wo free ba no na wa na wo hwe no wo bedu anso you are still extending that ehwe no nhihye wo ho a ewo yen krom na ne se nipako obi na ehwe no kra wo na waye san nhihye ni nyina e de ato ho na wo hwe no ewo mu a wo check on akwala no ni school kom wo check ni school ni head teacher ni class teacher oni omo wo evidence say you've been asking of the child utu school fees, all these things, and when say wona we so responsibility. Lawyer Patrick atonebo asi atretre from Genesis up to now. And the siano ye ko skill worker route ne so say wo so nya sa application we sa application na sa so responsibility no eba honom ana enti misremu mumi enti na enya ho nso enimde no. Lawyer Patrick Mpachoko, so sorry.
It's a yes, sanity. Yedim say under 297 no, sene yaka no. Ese say oche saade no, and a very very difficult threshold that ubetimi emiti and to cross over sa hurdle no. A very difficult. And you know, say what na fi now you bibisa, you're very careful because we've seen instances parents now or hano wama parents now or amanone no enye Ghana nko a. I've seen a case akola no wo or Nepals or say how baby sa na why application no na yama papa na ono wo ho no what throw letter e de aka ho say yes ono papa no ma ho kwan say akola no emetena ne ma nchen. Now the question is say who sole responsibility for sa akola ya, then why do you need the other parent to write a letter to give authority say ubetimi de wo akwala na wo so responsibility for sa akwala for ni yidie ne abringing ni bibia no adenti na wo hia the other parents authorization before obefa sa akwala no e de na beka ho. So we should be very careful when you listen and you want to sit home and do the DIY na so making sure say in-depth knowledge of what you are doing and also say all of the information now here to make such an application because it's very difficult. My advice is say don't do it yourself because enye ni nyina na ebetimi achichimu akosi ase. You heard the case of Emmanuel 1972 case the na air can say the fact say obi foforo ewo amanone na ohwa akwala no enkyere say we lose sa so responsibility and also parental responsibility no because at the end of the day no because say wo amanone wo UK no enye dan anke obi enebe Ghana obehwe akwala no yiedie on your behalf and no nkyere say wa relinquish saa role no e de ama nipa kro no tu na emom no ogina wanamu based on all instructions and our day yesa ogina wanamu na sa akola no be sorry obedidi obeko school ba sa nema ni nyina sa nipa kro no na egina wanamu e de aye nti se nei se nipa ne se ontimi nye sa nema ni biem na emom bra na be fa wo ba na esese yetumi ma ho kwan na utumi kofa akola no ba nti bringing it back to your skilled worker any your health and care visa route no any dependence no yes say your application na ubetimi de wo ma aka ho there's been instances many of them are enkwala na ye de wo mo ba no ye de wo mo ba with another partner wo mo nye eye san kwala yi omo papa anase omo mame but still we've seen decisions come through eye positive na the wo kire ne say esese wo kire say number 1 wo sa nipa ya o de eye o dependence ukunu anase o mebe number 1 uyo obi a wanya sa skilled worker visa ni bi anase ya ma course nti wa apply to eye health and care visa company omo sponsorship oma dia tum so be ma sponsorship 3 years 4 years 5 years 1 year oma dia tum se omo be ma so omo ma course no yes you can apply by yourself and come to the UK and then o family no betimi abe join no and also say o betimi apply at the same time with them na onu omu nyina aba abomu pepepe what you need to show for instance say ye wukunu ana oyire na ode ne ka ho de aba you need to show relationship ti say mu ye obi a maware a esese utumi hu eye mo marriage certificate ba bi e wona mo de ka ho and also say mo civil partnership and also say mo ye obi a mo ye unmarried partners but mo betimi a demonstrate say at least matna abom for 2 years mo betimi a show say they call ya ikrum abibiman mu a I think say demonstrating say 2 years may be difficult. Where in kwala woman you may have a leeway because ya won akwala no na oni mami na wo no oni papa na wo no na akwala na di more than 2 years. Then you can say yes, many mami yatena for more than 2 years. So you can use that to evidence that. However, the American say because say ye krom no your paperwork any sa niema no enhye da enno so ntino. Ayana a very difficult say and Gen 1.2 definition of partner no the unmarried partner bit no you bet me a meet and as you bet me a show no one say obetire with wo marriage certificate and as a civil partnership certificate e dey say and pass yes o meet sa definition now say uwie enu wie a na ye ba enkwala no so enkwala no the esese wo kire ne say again omo ye wo ma whereas ye hu say under 297 no eniema bi wo ho a esese wo de keka ho no wo ye skilled worker route especially the health and care visa route no ye hu say emugo ye nyire mu dendenden so usually say obi ye application under 297 na etodampo a yetimi ka say even though our DNA is not a requirement no koye DNA faka ho se ebema ebema wasem no mu epi ne emu ayeden na okwa etumi ayeye we do that it is not to say your birth certificate na ye free Ghana no we don't respect it of course we do because your mind Ghana and share so ne nam ene de issues our birth certificate no say a legitimate document. So one kojin won kwanchen dia then it's a valid document and Home Office cannot deny that document no say evidence of relationship. So yes you take them to court and challenge them so that they can demonstrate the entire omususu say invalid document. Na nso no omantimi anka e was that decision because half of the time no or majority of the time no they will say omunyintu but then omunka say a document fraudulent and also say okofa no won kwanche nti say ofa kwan papa so na unya dia then it should be okay what we advise and say ubetimi agege niema bi dia ka ho e de di adanse so relationship with sa akwala no e na ye hwe so ne birth certificate eye genuine ene yenim se Ghana since 2009 no kwala ya wo mu nyina no ye issue omo with biometric birth certificate and no susu na wo hia to go and apply for a biometric passport into omo birth certificate old ones ni nyina no and then no the position is say wo de ko na yesesa na ma meka ya omo pink ones no o de ko na yesesa na ma na ye ma biometric one and sana o de your passport no half of the time most of the time no home office so yeah omo mpesa ombeji atum but there's always challenger obetimi a challenge you and get over that hurdle. So that is not a problem. So yes, you show your birth certificate no, and then akwala no na ohwe na yes obetimi agi ni school report e de aka ho e de achese ampase e wo na ohwe no. It is not a lot and it's the most easiest route obetimi afaso e de nkwala no aba. Ama when sembia ni so responsibility sebe yayire mu dendenden under in 297 immigration rules no matabata hu bebresa. So you can do it, and that is why it is very important say at the moment na sebe yanyire mu because my instincts can't tell me say we baby they will begin to look at because who say yes, a kwanya na ba ye no bebre aba anam sa kwan no so aba. So don't wait for them to close sa route no. And I say emfa bibi emhemu ememu nye den ansa. Ma preempto. I am not saying he said this is what they're going to do, but me can say me instance can't tell me say baby they may begin to look at to see say bia bibi wo ho a ombetimi aya na I don't know. So don't quote me say me say no. I'm only saying say it may be the case say ombe look at sa area no I will say bibi wo ho a ombetimi aya ka ho na. Again, yenim say fee na utua no the immigration fee na nkasa for the application and also so very very reasonable. It is a whole year application no, for up to 3 years it's about £247 for each person. So you know 3 and more including 5 years now 479 for each person. As a say maintenance no sika wo the main applicant nipa na yaman sponsorship or be juma no ese another health and care visa route no. So and only £1,270 for the main applicant no. The husband and also wife now or kahono ese say owo £285. Additional child first child now be kahono ese say £300. Any additional child be obeka ho bia no £200 and ese when maintenance ese sa sika we nyina no ese eda account mu for at least 28 days. Yemfa say 1 month. So you can't nesa ese wo bu nkonta ni ye because it's not just in your account. So uko yiso kapre within some time na sika no enu sa level ni bi na adechi now sa de kotumu a it doesn't meet. As I say, we'll start train another 28 days. So, a consecutive. As I say, sikano demusa wabra unko ye ne meet sa requirement no. Now at the date of application now wo ye no. Not still odasu meet sa requirement. As I say, wo hono. Ebi wo ho a company na wafa wadwuma no. Ombetimi aye nhihia aka say ye best certify o maintenance no. What does that mean? All that it means in say company na afa wadwuma no aye nhihye se beya se uni £1,270 plus the extras for a partner any nkwala na edaw account mu for that period no wo ho a omagye to wo ho se omo be sign se oba for the period na obeba no ye be hwe up to a certain time na afi no oba na obeye adwuma na oho henha wa na watumi wankasa so waye wa won hyehyɛ any baby a wobetena ne saa nema no. Nti yes, ombetimi certify the maintenance for yourself, the main applicant, and for your dependents as well. Nti that is possible. Now, say o ba ubetimi no ma ba said maka no anaso say ubetimi aba na o ma be join no ne nyina ense hwe but because review bi e be koso nti no say o opportunity ne na my advices ubetimi ni o ma ba mom said e be ya enko kan say o mo yes review na again bear in mind say o krom ha na o visa enwu ya you can switch to health and care visa route. Inti yam fan say we a parent. Now, parent for the other ones no. Take note of this because this is a very clever way of maybe say akwala bi wo Ghana. Now person wo de ne ba, you may be able to explore this. So here it is. Ebia we a parent on a 2.5 years parent route no. Inti wo asitena wo krom ha. And because wo asitena wo krom an inti no, ubetimi aswitch to the health and care visa route no na ya mouse sponsorship see a mouse sponsorship perhaps what's na krumu for more than 1 year so what's na krumu for more than 1 year you don't need to show maintenance so you're okay which means that you don't need to show the £1,270 and all of those things that's okay so what's now for that long now then it's fine so we switch it to the health and care visa route now ye nyina ye nim se emugo edema ye na then it means say ubetimi akofa obana oye below 18 no edenaba on that route
okay
so whereas over 2.5 years say wo kofa obana ba under the immigration rules 297 any entry clearance child EC 1.1 no o kofa akola na ba nieme bi o say o kire say o so responsibility no because say the threshold is very high. In fact, say we 2.5 na ye wonko a ese show maintenance. K Pakistan and Uvovo sene ya church mu on. Ese we show sir. Enye awofo no nyina na nkwala nti na omutimi ko adwuma. Tie bia na osika no kra na enso. Say enso so a you may not be able to bring sa akwala no. And there's a problem. But then so once switch you to the health and care visa route now. The way requirement nitie na emugo nti no. Yes, ubetimi akọ na akọfa akola na ba wabra eho eniema no enhyeda ennoso bebresa. Yes, a very very good route. It's open to everybody. Ama your friend is immigration space no at the moment no a bit favorable to yenina because enye EU for nko na ya single omo out to say because of single market intino ombetimi aba but we dey ye nyina na ye bie mu dia man say ye nyina ye betimi afa so aba
me question person me rebefi person na me transfer wa hwa na me misi ne wo kan and yet you say parents route there na kan ho de yie pa iti for mu ti o parents route 2.5 years ye dey amount sisi adom wenya sponsor India not 2.5 what na so like almost time na ya so that we try 2 years let's take it for instance now we kwakonya sponsor ibi na ono mbia wa employ you on a 3-year contract washa edwuma ase yenso enim se kroma o ha se unya 5 years utumi apply for indefinite na enti se sa 2.5 wetwa unya sponsor nso ama 3 years wetwa emo 5 years npa cho utumi gina eno so ene o 2.5 ni new sponsor 3 no e de koji indefinite na
of course
until
mpacho koso ana say then
ana say o say sponsor there no wo say twa new 2 years biom ka ho ansa na wakoji indefinite say o say wo sponsor there no so for 5 years ansa na wakoji indefinite mpacho
no so in shishani say ubetimi a combine with health and care visa no plus other visa when you know put it together and then qualify for indefinite leave to remain. Yes, ubetimi put those pieces together, including even student visa, ABA, or debaya, or switching. You can put all of them together and reach your indefinite leave to remain. So that is very, very good area. Say explore. More students now, mobile, bear in mind, say, student visa, it doesn't lead to settlement. nti sɛ wokɔgye student visa firi Ghana na woba wobɛdu ha na sɛ ebi a wonim sɛ school no wokɔ wie a wobɛtena ha then ɛsɛ sɛ wohyɛ aseɛ na woyɛ nhyehyɛ sɛ wobɛpɛ kwan a wobɛtumi aswitch because sɛ wowɔ visa no you don't have to go back to Ghana to apply and come back wobɛtumi aswitch in country and that is very good wobɛtumi aswitch to the health and care visa no again wobɛtumi akɔfa wo dependent ɛde aba and all of that no ɛyɛ biribi a ɛmu go a ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ explore. We've been drumming this for about over a year since I shas, you know, ya can't want some bebre. The DNT, ya can't want some bebre, no, because, sir, you who say, a quenya, a somboa, perhaps the easiest path to come through at the moment. Yeah, but your review and train Emma review, no, and call you the name and son or apply, manya.
Wow, love Patrick. Yay! Oh, many are Jones. Yeah, Cassandra, I mean to me, just city because it's here for a moon show. And do na you chat to no. Tell me cat to no what me I see. Oh, got you 2.5. No, as I got you 2. So went to me and switch it to sa back could be nurse or the same Zambranos and wine. Near now, to make change now, I could 5 years so instead of 10 years, you know. Just say, would you try to thought 2.5 sound to 10 years? And so when you're indefinite, we will say, then they say. Send got 2.5, no extra train, no a sponsor. A human say, wo, a human draws some penny pa ayo. Now I could pay bisa. Now amount say 2 years, so say 3 years, so mostly I'd be mama 3 years, be more grammar 5 years. Oh, so another than now we channel, oh, dear, come home. Dear na de say a clear cut Claire Patrick with their more de. Na me won sem bisa na nsa na me bisa nsem so kakra me yakoyi nim no. Memfa ni die emma dodo na aba platform me remfi mu kra aba platform ne so me mo bibia afihia pa. Se me sha ase a ye nua ba adai mu nunkum. O si good morning family and friends ampa ye juso ye ma afihia pa so yeah ye secretary Papa B Sandra Fraser o say good morning beautiful man o can beautiful ni da wan me tuma me do. I say good morning, fellow viewers. Please share when you can. And pap, share as soon as you join. Share. And some more the year. And more the Sanson and Michia Minia Adele Ewa Catherine. Michia Papa. Dakas Adom so say good morning, Lawyer Patrick Emmanuel. See, Minia Ba. Me Joso, me Mama Fisher Panso, Kevin Asamoah. I say good morning, Manuel, Lawyer Patrick. Great to see you all back. Happy, blissful New Year. Kevin, yeah, that's it. Kevin, prize now, no, I know I bring me be why. Me pay 10% pay home. Nana Bob also say yes. Good morning, Manye, Nate, and Lawyer Patrick. Congratulations for being ushered into the new year. I am pa inshra and year soon and enquam. Nyame inshra foster, yay! Papa no. Pacho okwa but more than beji me share pocket mo. Now ne me nkotwa 2 weeks no now ne me mbra. Why? I say happy new year, Lawyer Patrick and all BWF Solicitors and everyone. Eric Autry, I say good morning everyone. Any but more than friend ne bisa wo question why? Nana Ajim Mines class prefect we drew hadada or say Gina or this or board register no or say mombo more than won share tiliduma o he anope yente wonka afi momenti ye honka na ehia papa or say share free legal advice. Dr. Tina Rice Sachs is a good morning royal family. Cadets fear or say is it Firon? Okay, I believe I've pronounced your name correctly. Or see our question to ask, but I'll come to your question in a minute. Gloria in Japan, have you have hope? Always have hope when I hear from you guys. Oh, Gloria, nyame nhyira say ye to me ma wo eni da so wo hu ye mpe no we nya di da so. Gloria nyame nhyira why? Or say good work done. Mariama Kamara. Yay. In fact, if I continue, I may not end. So let me pause here. As time goes on, I'll still continue greeting you all of you. But all on board, please. Happy New Year and welcome to the show. It's good to see you all. It's good to see you. And today we have good news. Like you said, if you had come earlier on to listen to Lawyer Patrick, you realize good news in Kwan and Yedi Shafinasi. Many ajia me fifri kre timi. Ye koye nim. Lawyer Patrick, tama o church mono. Ubo sa birth certificate to evidence your case say wona womba nti no wo de application na nana minim say wo san kan so say sisi a no 2009 no ye call digital nti no se ye wo akwala na please, I've not opened the phone line yet nti no mami just 2 minutes. Why na me be a telephone no na metumi abo ewremu bisa mo question. I've sent it already.
No, I haven't received it. I spoke to you yesterday. I haven't received it, and I'm sorry.
Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. It's here for Miss Ramo open ni way no link no na ono so eti. I will do so in a minute. Oh, the mo fan me why. Now what was I even say? Yes, ntina me bisa question is say best set na dodo na ya wo mo ansa na sa digital ebe. Se wo de ikochra wo kan se first na ya no mo njintum. Enti se ukita pink ne still na eno na ukwa use a ubetumi use na se ti se wo de call omoma san ye ne digital na ansa na ubetumi use mpacho ho no na ehia me ena afen so no se wo yes application na se at what time se wo parent na ukọ yes skill worker route wa bedu krom ha ansa na ukwa show those evidence to say ode o man ba be kan ho na say abrea na oji course na we visa application na oho na say o show those evidence no ansa na ni ye di nkwala na kan wa ma wa ba mpacho oho no mantia si nti utumi chechem ho yi kakra be me de kakra mpacho adaroma.
Okay, great, Manye. Nti yeah, you wore pink birth certificates from the old days, you know. Say ukoje passport ebe hia se obekwa akoje the biometric one no ansana watimi akoje o passport no. So in any event no esese wo de sa pink birth certificate no call birth and death registrar ho na omo eye nsatraye edema o sese wo di adanse sa ampasa oye Ghana ni sa birth certificate eye o birth certificate na wo chereche sa nneama ni nyina wi a ombe ma o eye biometric birth certificate they are exchange the over a pink one no. We've seen instances omo a pink one and the biometric one. Ubetimi use both of them. However, the insisanya abane say esese ubia was a biometric birth certificate nibi. So which means say pink one na esese o de ko Ghana aban ho na oyen sachaye na otimi maw a new one na ya no. There's a reason why aban yesa said the bear ye betimi a capture data na yehu omo asebe omo ye Ghana for Emma and as a Ghana adehye prekope na yetumi ehu sansunsuan omo a ye wo omo na omo awofo ye Ghana for nti omo ye Ghana for ene sa neman esisi ehu sa neman. That is why aban ayen sa nhihye no said the bear odi be hye yen system no mu ekena ama security aba your system no mu te se ne ehunu wa ha no o koje visa aban se ye de visa ne be ma wa je se waba ama ya your fingerprint aba wonsa no a capture sa data no including wenim ansana ye de sa visa no e de amount eno boa e secure yen e wo kwan bebre so nti sa na yen so ya ban ayen hyehyɛ e de ato se esese nyina no yetumi efa saa kwanya no so na wo koje o passport a esese wutumi eye biometric so e de count na capture saa data no na ye de to ho dachi asemunti nti saa na tie esese wo ye saa de no so wo pink one ni bia obetumi akọ na akoye new biometric one. After all, you need that to do your passport nti yen hye no so. Now with say or provided information when you are applying or after you've arrived in the UK, and no problem. What normally happens in the so wo year application now as the main applicant, your babies are with relationship status. Into relationship status, either so you're single, either so you're married, either so you're civil partner, and also you're unmarried partner. Into one na all say okay, mawari. Into mawari, then the form will further ask you ukunu and answer we need any date of birth. So then we know from the onset say who you will be at wawari. The form normally does not ask about enkwalano. It doesn't mean say enkwalano enti mimma because omo ye madia then ombetimi aba. Either say onu mu nyina babom and answer ombeba aba beka ho after wo waba no obetimi aye. Say wo ko akosubmit with documents na not necessarily say odesa documents no ebeka ho because you don't need that. The wo here wo evidence na after your application the checklist no ebeka se fabra no nti bibi to say certificate of sponsorship even though checking no krano doesn't ask you, but yes ubetimi the account ebia na adwumara no krano ama contract of employment ubetimi the account the chese wo English language meet requirement no you say at least B1 wo degree a obekwa akoye actors na why comparability report at the account and also say obey IELTS level B1 I think say manya chechemu bebre hawa ubetimi pass sa English no nti eno mu nyina ye documents a wo applicant no o de ka ho de akọ once you been granted no na o dependents no omo koye application na then they will provide for instance our husband and answer our wife the marriage certificate obe provide wo course na ye de ama wono obe provide o visa na ye de abo o passport mu a say ampase ya mau sa visa no as a skilled worker no obe provide and also at the account any a copy of your passport any a year on one documents aka bear in mind say esese mu nyina mo ye criminal report from a krubia watana so for more than 12 months including Ghana esese your report nti whether say o ye dependent husband and also o ye dependent wife esese o ye sa report ni bi at the account we no ne niema a key evidence as I say ubetimi the account to submit application manye
Yele Patrick medase wacheche mu ama me ni agete for me nkwa me mfa platform no why obi a start bo me subo wa hadada me sremo me bebie telephone lines no na wo so wetumi afre na we bisa question bia owa opese obisa say ye sha ase ekwawie ye kwan a obefa so e na fenso no it's not necessarily say embia ene topic a ye ka ho asem no eno a na so obisa won nsem say eno dem questions in the doors but senior lawyer Patrick nso atra say no ato aso mu yi ankasa but embia na bibi eti wadwen chima obetumi still abebisa question is open say nam immigration home family law and nam bia na even Ghana chrome law kra obetumi abebisa na yi wa no nti mebie telephone lines no studio lines na obetumi di afre no 0208 1231016 and our so 07399208468 ehia papa na wafre ofre na obi wo so a don't worry ana asem bia bebia wo no ntumi emfre enkasa bomodian na fasa na ma we nso betumi akọ WhatsApp na weja voice note e wo WhatsApp ho no se ne a obemia microphone icon no na weja message tietietia just 1 minute per enough na weja message no ho ye bebo ama lawyer etie na weyiwa no enti eno nso wo ho e wo sa na ma eso 075 afenso se wo frɛ na me pick wo call na ya na one mute ana se we lower gadget kra wo tie program na efree so no we lower ne kakra ya na ma ye feedback a enye pleasant ma ye nti no we lower no na we bisa wasem no sorry titia na ye koyenim na menya me first question wa ha no first caller wa ha no afihyiapa maame papa o wa homa so mpacho mayente wonka ansa na mebisa me nso me question mayente wonka mpaso ka se free sorry
Ayati Pacho Mimamu Afishapa lawyer Patrick Pacho Mam Afishapa.
I think
embed.
Messiah.
Pacho no kasa film of London.
Okay.
Pacho masama kwempese mbisa ma banaf bako.
Okay.
Pacho mayati no opeso bisa se wadawroma opesan ko ba heten kani binam Pacho a
Okay.
mbuebu on mam tu da bona na ma we na koma mayati wankasa Pacho.
Yo mpacho emwa wo ho na ti se ofre ichire na edi ho asem edi ho nkomo why
Okay, Pacho se no so de nchen wi a na we de Pacho e koma lawyer we de Pacho madam fo bako ono so student na o de baye na the student no na nko person ko switch ba o switch na share code no enye adwuma nti no obi se o person ko ye security card no na in case no ko security card na e show say ni friend say share code na enye adwuma no e be ya na no person because o person be ya like o kwakwa shi ni sika ide me catch and say in ukwe me catch and say enye because of check code na enye because ebia a link home office na me de me lawyer into no simple job
so we na no so ho ade na kire say ni student we no enye valid biom sponsor na yi ni din na sponsorship na free ni so ema emre na betwam ama sisi anya adwuma biom on say ansa na lawyer patch be ba be Canadian ma menka kakra on say student no say nyame ma dom na monya visa na mo ba na say unim say wo sha ase no school fees na nda form when it je ho say obekọ school na emom school fees na nda form na anase sebio nipa ko a obeboa wa ma wetua ka o school fees no embia na bibi esi there are so many instances intino untumi entua school ne so biom enye bone obetumi aswichi na emom entwentwen so se school no tro say bra na mbia wonkọ wo anim se wonkọ wo so a wonfie omo a ombeka akire home office for say wo kan se obe school na emom wamba into omo de omo yom sponsor na free wo so se wo ye lucky a home office betro aka say sisi a no sponsor no onim obiom nti de na wo ye wo ho wo pe sponsor foforo ana se wo be kofie wanya lucky nso na we nya sa question na letter na be o say we no yama 1 year na nti still valid ube hu a ukọ akwahwehwe share code na enye adwuma eba ni sa wa be ye illegal ena sa program ye wo sui wo ye illegal eye den ti se wo visa bi wo mu ansana but enye visitors visa nso ansana ebetumi aye edi aboa nti question a obisa se obetumi se ombe hu so omo everything is digital udin pie wo baby a ekọ baby and especially local security when it comes to the security services ewo krom ha it's a very huge thing it's not enyan kwanchan ade enti so mo ye background checker omo ye to the core of the home office and san acquire grant to security card no enti no me nim ne opese la Patrick mpacho magin sem ne kakra but pese won so one wo de no so eka homa me nua be me mpacho.
Okay, great. So, Manye, I think you said, most of the things are mechanical. However, the medebe count say, office or problem, then it's best to say obe pinching an expert. Now, what shared ninsemu edia mano. It may be the case the or ye be wrong. Into your better talk so acquire maybe a share code number. But, spend some time, see an expert, na only nedin komo, na onfa, onosusu neni enhwe. Second eye, na onhwe mu se, enokrase ebia, o visa no, ewu, anaso se ebia, generating the share code no, ye bibia, nyeni ye, eninti na wonsanka. Then you have your peace of mind. But what na hona visa no it becomes very difficult. Na free na, osa ko nante ahwehwe other route ubetimi aswitch edia koso. Sometimes maybe the case is say go back to Ghana now sa eko ye bibia foforo now sa ba. Eno no sa no yete a me especially it breaks my heart because I didn't know we go through all of these processes, any difficulties. Now about be do hanum. Now we do ha. A small fee bia ubetimi etuama expert. Now what jini nim die na dwench rentino. Ubetina ha ma visa na wu because ama say kojo say sana kufi ye ne de sana yaw ya ne ye ne de. One yaw enye pe. Intino entimi nka se yaw eyi ni ti punk e fata no. Inti usu yu ti punk a ebe fatal. Bia wu yu de kid and player eno na ebe fatal. The 80s guys will know kid and play. Manye.
Yo, Papa, yeah, that's why.
That's it.
Yo,
That's
bye
it.
bye.
That's it.
Yeah, for number two, what am I picking on? Hold on 1 minute, mommy. Like Patrick, and then person me ma a fair play pa ewa hunting ye fa back one, na come back on so our platform ne so. Enti na yenya be maybe a bisa cadet Fearon or Fearon. Or say can a builder also get a work visa, or is it only for people who want to school or have a degree? Intimpacho have degrees. Intimpacho ne question no ye betumi eyina no kakra nsa na ya ma ye kola no so de.
Okay, yes, Mr. Fieron. Into the skilled worker route, no, enyuma na ewa ase no edoso. Into you have to go online now I search it, shortage occupation list, and it will show you the list of professions ewo ho a obetimi apply. And special skills be now it falls under the construction route now. Yes, obetimi apply. You don't need to have a university degree to do it. However, you will be required to demonstrate that you meet the English proficiency requirement, at least at level B1. That you'll be required to do. What degree, it makes it a lot more easier for you because all you would need to do, let's say, obey comparability report with actors, which used to be Eunice. Yes, into enona oye. Say enona, then you know say at least what crosses our head no because passing the English language sometimes very difficult for some people. Even though I been why a degree across not to do English requirement we not a bit difficult. Until that is why you can say degree a lot more easier. But who need degree, it doesn't stop you from doing it. Who you be our school or a GCA GCSE waha and also say university degree from UK again that will qualify you for the English language requirement no man.
That's good. Yo, yeah, that's it. Odo for one maso pacho obetumi. Mariama, onya ho afre why na ubisa o question. O say can I have a question please? Pacho odo for one maso. Yeah, friend say na o kasa friend.
Me kasa friend landing. Me mama fisher pa.
Afin kom besan ya papa.
Pacho me quick question me say me worry EU ni.
Okay.
But mo am call to ofi but man can't try me here no.
Oh.
And I say me or settled status because in Kuala no penina at the 13 and at the ordinate no so at the 11. Say me pese me fa omo bra. Me nim say me bia mu ka share me year ni se sia abia me ne benya problem kakra bi. So penisu are fine but so one penisu me pese me fa on Kuala no bra. Because me document one you know what say the passport. Let me be a abra onim. And I say, man, fata aquano so me ankasa with my settled status no me ya mo a kwine bench na me faso mpacho.
Yo papa ya na mo bisa question bisa no e wa homa no say ya na me sresre kakra esenti yan to for say mpacho we asresem yan to for say ya bra onimu ana it's not right isn't it enti yan to for say ye bibia enye right oyere no however no near o bisa say wa obetime gina o skills settled status ne so dia yan de genuine question a obisa me enti meto ne nyina mala part be ya na mo bisa nsem bi say na mo hu kwan a faster why because I will not advise wrongdoing the chairman what may I say sanity yo la Patrick Pacho Adaroma.
Okay, so yeah, that's a man. Yo, nti chief mpacho nti madam oda so ne wo ho ana
After I mean that's all because on the same problem awo mu kakra but sometimes me no bobo atem no. And I can say only the amfano ho. Say me wo akola make me akoko wo baby amfano ho. So me who say I have to open it to her.
Exactly.
But me oh until me pese me country but me feel say me catch on Peninsula, what am I going to do? And then mommy, yeah.
Okay. So this is my advice to you, senior. Because, you know, madam, a breaky ice no kakradia mano. Perhaps you have a bit of, you know, a boat hole to go into. Na wako kawasem. Until ubetimini madam aka say yes. Why am from so kakra na onfanchao. Start it from that tangent. Na kachen say mfumso a waye ni say udi BBC no de wo ho ni na esan say mososo ma preso ana bibia ma no ebeya nka omma kwan na omo Ghana no eyemu nyina mo ma mo ware a mabeye honam baako ne ma eye wo ma eye ne ma na nka nkwala no emmeka mo nsa awa ha na enigye mrafie na nka ye dibro nye mu nyina mo te dining table ho ene mo ma na mo enjoy Christmas turkey any Christmas dinner ebeye lovely fa san hyehyɛ no to o kwa emfa wonsa pan ko ema epa krokro pe bibia ye very nice o ko pacho nti ko ni ye yes that's right into no yes anema no yeah then you betimi amanaba but so one peninsula akwenya wo on your settled status no but difficult and that is why I think say madam de no easier
route difficult because me about sole responsibility no na me share say yeah omo ma no Ghana no bia omo mpeni ana say
masa bra office
enti brana yendi nkomo na yen sorting out I think say enye difficult enti bra office na yensiesie na yen fa nkola no mbra because this is opportunity for you ukoye under the immigration rules now sikano dawson and a threshold no very high very difficult EU dear no it's still available you're still together you can do it so come let's work.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, that's so I share program ne there.
What's it?
Master share program ne mami. Me who say what share?
Yeah, Matthew. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bye bye. You had a for maso. But dinaso ba koma me why na me bisa Mpacho dinaso mami 1 minute why dinaso mami na yo Mariama me twen wo bisa so betime bisa question bi ntino bomodia na fabra me wa question back ala Patrick and then me see me share nti me fa call back ana mienu ana ma bo yen we ni so kakra we see good morning my beautiful can you please thank Lawyer Patrick for me for assisting me in getting my visa. God bless him so much in your program. Nyame sha Jemima Anan na kasano. Inti question is Mariama Bisa say my sister is overstayed. She's pregnant for a British citizen. My problem, I don't hear Ghana language. Please, can you please explain? Oh, okay. So according to Mariama Kamara, she's asking lawyer to explain how best her sister who is pregnant but overstayed her visa with a British citizen. What are the opportunities for her? Until Lawyer Patrick, if you can explain that in English for her for me.
Okay, so Madam Mariama, thank you for listening to us. We're grateful that even though you don't understand the Ghanaian language, you're still in tune and listening. We suppose you've been doing this for a little while and your question has just come up. And so, yes, we're more than happy to assist in answering your sister's question and put her dilemma to bed. Now, this is what it is. Because your sister has overstayed her visa, she's become an overstayer, so to say. Now, because now she is pregnant, and you say she's pregnant for somebody who is a British citizen or settled in the UK, what that means is that once the child is born, or the children are born, I don't know how many there are in that tummy there. So once the child is out, that child becomes a British citizen automatically under the Nationality and Immigration, the Nationality Act, 1981, Section 1. The child becomes a British citizen automatically. And this is irrespective of whether or not the child obtains a passport, because this child acquires that citizenship automatically. So from birth, or even whilst the child is still there, this child is a British citizen. Just that we want the child to come before we can attach that right to the child, or that privilege to the child, if you'd like. So yes, once the child is born, the child becomes a British citizen. And because you are a parent or a mother of a British citizen child, or a qualifying child, you'd be able to make an application under the immigration rules as a parent of a British citizen child. That would help you to obtain your stay here in the UK. What you would get is a 2.5 years leave to remain in the UK. And then you can subsequently renew it after every 30 months. Now, if you get your first stay and you begin to work, you may be able to switch from the 10-year route, because your initial visa, because you don't have status in the UK, would be on the 10-year parent route. Once you have obtained your first leave and you start working, you can demonstrate that you meet the other requirements, including English language and maintenance. You may be able to switch from the 10-year route to the 5-year route, which will make your stay here a lot more shorter, and then you could reach indefinite leave to remain in a shorter period. So this is what you should be looking forward to. Now, if you live with your partner, i.e. the other parent of this child, then the consideration and the starting process will be a bit different. What they will do is they will begin to consider if you would meet the partner route requirement. But bear in mind, you wouldn't meet that. So then they will drop down to the fact that it will be unreasonable and it will be harsh for them to say, go back home and apply, because there will be exception and insurmountable obstacle for asking you to go back because of the child. And so you'll be able to still apply and stay in the UK. So either way, your position is still very, very, very good. What we are praying for is safe delivery. Once the baby is out today, I think you're secured, and you should be very, very joyful and thankful to God. Mariama.
Wow. Yes, Mariama. So your question is being answered. If you are British and you score a goal in France post, your goal is still a British goal. And because of that, France will accept it. All right. So Patra Kola wa homa so my ento nka Patra free my the frozen.
London.
Yo, mami. Ya mo official pan so.
I think I'm saying I think it's na nyame aye bia yehwehwe nyina ma
Sa. Nkwa na yesu.
Ani lawyer pattern so. Na me were 2 questions wrong.
Okay.
Me try say me can me na achieve.
Yo.
First one is in reference to statements there or make here make the clarification on it.
Okay.
And you know, me the school na buy.
Right.
And me according to krata no, e school there no, and the boom. And me ba ha say my best son no. Me say fan no ya mama me card no. But me according to krata no, ye nya hwe mu ye mfa de bia embo mu ma me ye. And you know, me ye na me ko na me ye. Say e ba ne say me pese me de ko fa obi free fee ba. O make his reference say e was say odi ade na ebo me according to krata ni mo no extra. I say me was anything say in this case I mean it ade no what according to krata ni mo no. Meye den oba nipa na ofisi ba no obeye den na den na wode be kire. I say me was ade no apart from card na wo de man no.
Yo.
And secondly no. Me be say no. Benya omo mo hwe enkofo no di bi. And na meye.
Nipa na
ane. Nipa na wo tata man no bi ntimi ne ni adwuma. But on ho and I meet me I don't show ediasani etiana ni na e wo ho no mo. Meet me akoye part time be so. But akoba se me ntimi ne ni adwuma no. Se me koye don't show ediasani don't show ediana ni wo be fufura. And cause friction there because the koye adwuma no be there wo se me dis kan kokoma there wo ye ade ne ma no na ono so
e wo se oye. Tie. E ho no fra ho ntuma mesrew. Enka sa ewo ahomane so mesrewe ni die mo
Oh,
our
okay. And then
platforms are being
me free
monitored.
on more. And yes, I let it be. Me free on more.
Okay.
The question is saying,
Yeah.
me say, aha, you know, and also, no, a day na, a woman listen me, aye.
Okay. Yo, Law Patrick be you are no, but uyen so obetumi afre na
Aha,
ma we na me no edi nkomo why? Eye
let us say,
07596620154. But you offer me after 12 I met me no edi nkomo why?
let us say.
Okay. Law Patrick, Wadaroma.
Okay, Nti, Minuaba, thank you very much. I think it's a very important question. Now, the SSC Shannon ni. Now, because I the student visa and buy, ABA, afe na oho kani no, o kwako ware no. Nti, o bano, na ABA unim ne dada. Nti unim ne dada, oni na ABA shisha ho. Bana mo ware na o de buy. Still ano mo relationship no ewo ho. Nti ubetimi a say yes, more relationship because the requirement is ultimate say nipa no wahu no mo anyonkofa bi ewo ho nti ubetimi a sa afi na makwa ware asement mo relationship no opese obeka ho na wo ba no na onye ukunu onye wo ho kani nti wa amfa na amba ubedu yesusu no wasesa from student visa status no aswitch to health and care visa eno na wo so sisia eno no enstopo se obekwa akofa oho kani no ene naba then so we make application na the SSA ultimate say we main applicant no or sponsorship or sponsorship no still no eda so e valid e wo honum a ode ye adwuma enti no yes o sa course no wo ho a e ye adwuma yes say home office e ko check ya umbehu say ampa say wo course na umbehu so say ampa say ya ma visa under that route no enti o biometric card na ye dia ma wa e che say o ye skilled worker no ubetimi e de copy e de ama yenu ya bema na say ya konta no na ode no aka ho aye na application it's only where ya ma skilled worker visa no from Ghana na waba bedu ha obaye wabeje o biometric card nti say o se ohun kani no e be ka ho a then you are able to provide sa vignette na ye de ebo passport no from Ghana no including even a biometric card na edi adanse say yes your amount visa under that route no and I say on that under that category no say be ya ebetimi edi adanse so yes they will check that the problem I have with the okan ye kan ho the fact say o say nipa na wama wo course no sisia no as a problem wo ho say problem wo ho then you have to be a bit careful because or withdraw a course na which means uni inyina so bia yes course na ye de ma no the main provider employer no and you expect to say only be adwuma even though ubetimi aye part time on the side no of course no is based on sa employer no nti say only ni enye adwuma biom no or withdraw no course it means say wasesa no ebetimi a problem nti say problem wa either say obe resolve problem no and also say obe switch it to another employer na wenya course foforo asembia eni ho so yes then there'll be a bit of a problem so bear in mind say only main provider now or shows to see no problem ebe hia say mo be resolve and also say obe switch immediately and also say whereas you know bibia to say near problem bia eni ho and say obetimi apply for a partner to come yes obetimi aba obedu a officer no dia aka no saa bi na ye be ma no say a less than 6 months it may be the case of omo man biometric card name omo man visa no there but then when you are applying na only na apply abom until yes obetimi apply na aba but say switch here then you have to switch together with a partner no so ba okay I think say you are muted man.
Saa nea ɛyɛ no ɛm sɛ ne way no ɛkɔ mewɔ few questions wɔ so na mmere no nso so aso ɛyɛ ha adwene o na yɛwɔ wei nso voice note wɔ ha ɔsɛ mebɔ ɛno ma no na afei deɛ yɛnhwɛ questions kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛansa dɛm nti yɛntie wei nso.
Hello, good morning, Manya T. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Mama, Happy New Year. If I told person bisa say, so be a uni na only settlement or her. Only pre-settled status or just or a uni. Obetimi ɛne ne yere aba ɛha ansa na ɔba bɛpɛ sponsorship anaa mepamokyɛ ɔmo start no ma hyɛ da ne me maa so nti no pakyɛ sɛ lawyer betumi akyerɛkyerɛ mu a obetumi abɛwura mu ɛne ne yere nyinaa ansa na ɔpɛ sponsorship meda ase.
You, like Patrick, question you dear, yay. And if say those times, then you know, young crow for more here, Brexit in some. You, like Patrick, what are you, then you ever catch a mammy penny.
Okay. Nti sɛ yɛ nuabaa no ne yɛ brother no a wɔyɛ EU foɔ no. Sɛ wɔn amma UK ama yɛnhu wɔn sɛ wɔn to UK since December 31st, 2020 now, which means that wɔn miss it out because yɛ close door no ansana. Na nka ɛsɛ sɛ wɔn tumi kyerɛ sɛ wɔn wɔ ha saa time no. That would have been fine. But te sɛ nea wɔn kan minsusuiɛ ne sɛ na wɔn ni ha. Anaso po ebi afi kura na mpo European passport no ɔmo nsa aka yɛtaa hu bi saa ɛno no deɛ ɛkyerɛ sɛ wa miss out yɛn deadline na yɛ set yɛ no nti yes sɛ saa na ti a untimi emma emmeka sɛ woyɛ EU ni na wo bewura ha ansa na wabɛyɛ switch no to a skilled worker because sɛ wa amma saa time no you can only come on a visit yɛnim sɛ ukuta visitor visa so na wo ba untimi switch it to any other category. Nti the ombetimi ayɛ ne sɛ ɔmbɛhwehwɛ sponsor no from aha na ɔma apply from ekuro na ɔmo wɔ so no ɛde afiri hɔ ɛde aba instead ɔmo ba ɔmo mmienu nyinaa ne mmɔfra no ebetimi afiri hɔ ɛde aba nti no saa ɛna ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ but sɛ ɔmo bɛba ha with the EU passport no sɛ nye ha na ɔmo wɔ dadade a then it would not be possible to do this manya.
Yo, Lea Patrick, we dear me yet now so so near the Jumanti no, and I'm in radio no, and 11 the bopa or say a switch it to another thing. However, we are still on Facebook and YouTube. Nemo yen to me enter us. So I know I've got a few questions here. I don't know if Patrick will permit me just ask just one of it, one pay. Because time is up and the office too it's full of people. We need to go and attend to them. Hen Vlad. And Vlad, or nothing, maybe Sunny dear last. You say, take care. Oh, David. Sandra also, I say, my husband got a skilled worker visa this year to the UK. Can he come for me using his skilled worker permit? And please, what is the procedure he has to go through? Sandra, where they be home? Where they say, Bla Patrick answer crowdada. Call me na yemboa na be home office na yemboa kwan obe fashion obe why. Me my lawyer Patrick and Kasa wo ho nkra. Lawyer Patrick, say aha na edi dwumedie no ebeba. So I'm going to invite our sister Deborah to summarize the whole program for us before we draw the curtains.
Good morning, viewers. I hope we have all learned something, and Happy New Year to all of us and everybody watching. So today we talked about, do I need to show sole responsibility to travel with my children on the skilled worker route? As Lawyer Patrick explained to us, sole responsibility is something you have to prove as part of making an application under paragraph 297 of the immigration rules. As he said, the threshold is really high. You essentially need to show that whilst even being here in the UK, you're still looking, you still very much haven't relinquished your responsibility as a parent. So it's a very high threshold. However, with the skilled worker, for example, health care visa route, the threshold isn't as high and difficult to attain. All you need to do is show that you have the skilled worker visa. If you're bringing your spouse, you need to be able to show relationship. So marriage certificate, civil partnership certificate, for example. If you're bringing your children, again, you have to show that, or you have to prove that they are your children. You have to prove relationship. So DNA evidence, a birth certificate. You also have to show that you take care of your child, so school reports, anything of the sort. You have to also show maintenance. So the applicant needs to be able to show £1,270 in their account. Their partner needs to be able to show that they have £285 in their account. So all of this needs to be in your account for a period of 28 days. Again, he mentioned the immigration fee. It's reasonable, up to 3 years is £247 per person. So this is a little I will have to say in regards to the topic today, and I hope that we have all learnt something. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Deborah. I think this is the hour I will draw the curtains to a close. Mejidi said near ya church munyina no monsa aka na lawyer Patrick mpacho last words do how be my answer na ya sorry na so akwa.
Okay, Manye. So my last words, no, you know, still dwelling on the fact that your health and care visa, no, yeah, be a review. We don't know what is in store for us. So, who will be in term? So, opesa de akontaba fanebra, opesa de minua ba fanebra. So, opesa de nkwala na ba famo bra. And sana review biya ebekoso biya no akoso because ye nim in satraya eba and you know yen pese biya be take here by surprise. Until yen go ahead of ourselves and do what we have to do so that bibi bana ebia draconian and co affect so much. Not just say ya jump da. And no and me de beto ya dream. At the moment, you know, it is one of the easiest ways to come and settle in the UK legitimately into the eboa. And our basuswa obeba no na ejuma da ho twen. Obia wababia majority of the people that have entered nim say oba most of them obedu ena adechia ebu okra na de natena car anim na wa sha ase ye ejuma. So you come in, you start earning the next day. Absolutely amazing. So about the partner route afina obeji national insurance number akoyo here ejuma se ubenye bi se unye bi but we there ejuma no na afa obeba no na ejuma no wo ho ese se ejuma no ma wo akatua up to a certain threshold at least £20,480 the least ebi wo ho a omutua more than that so obi a afi na wo ba UK fresh now wakatua already is above £20,000 you know. You can imagine enema ubetimi aye say oye adwuma we 6 months and him say health and care industry ni mususu adwuma no wo ho obi wo ho asabi obetimi akɔhye adwuma ebi wo 3 days 4 days 5 days krana onko fi or ye adwuma because the need no for nipa say ombeba be ye adwuma e wo ho and we are really struggling at the moment nti ebehia say ebetimi explore sa route no na ya nam so aba because oba obeye adwuma adwuma no wo ho nti no you start earning as soon as you come in nti that is you know one good thing about this visa route no nti yan hye so na yan explore na ye nuanom a teacher for no so a nyame aye madom mako school awie no 1st of February no mo route no is starting again. We should explore that because another good thing eba be boa ebema ye nyina ye ho ahenhan na emu mesre se mamu ma ye nyina ye nwane mfiri Ghana ye mo se ebi beka honum na ya boa ye mpanimfo ama oman no ba bi edubia ombetimi ahyehye ne yie. I know say UK say oni ye nhyehyɛ na yetimi export nurses for no kakra de aba na wa ma ye bibi kakra ne nyina boa but mamu ma ye nyina ye nwane ehia se ebi beka to build our own nation. Man, thank you so very much for handling us this morning. I know you haven't been particularly well. We're wishing you good health and the best of the year and everything that you do. We're wishing KT Consort all the very best. We're wishing you more business. We're wishing the supporters of this program and our business all of the very best for the year that we've just entered in. God bless you, man.
God bless you too. Oh, many but yeah, tomorrow the community and the law is coming on. So those of you that I wasn't able to pick up your questions or read your questions, please, I'll transfer them tomorrow for you. On community and the law, our brother Oriku Frimpong will be the host, and I'm the questions the man will be bisa wo ho e de amamo. Make a date with us e wo honom. So na a quick reminder, Katie Consult, we are back. Business as starting. Register with us. Say, okita degree no mpo na opese. O convert ethics na. Yewo and she share with the home office. Yetumi ye ma on tem until betumi di abre yen so ne ya ma. Opese o tro English no nso a. Say Trinity College dear no B1 no nso na be hu yen hyehyɛ bi e wo ho ope 1-1 tutorial kra yetumi bom ma on da kro pe okwa na dem umpe we na opede. Just approach Katie on 075-966-20154 and all those problems God's grace na betumi asolve bi e the amount. Yedamase midiani manyeti na obi se opemi ehu because watemenka nim nipa ko afi on trust him crampo say I exist misremo me exist pa anti me amini adom nenti nyame hra ye nyina da se ne yebesen hia me mamu bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214-218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.